Welcome back to the Learning Hub. This is Chapter 4 of our Excel learning program. Hope you have gone through Chapter 3 for delete function. If you have not gone through the previous chapter, please find the link in the description. Please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get a notification of new videos. In this chapter, we are going to learn about basic mathematics operations. There are multiple mathematic operations that we use in our day-to-day life, but when it comes to basic mathematics functions, we have just 4 mathematical operations which are explained here. As you see on the screen, addition can be done with a plus sign, then minus with the hash, and then we have multiplication which can be done with the special character called a star, and we have the division which can be done by the /. In today's video, we are going to cover these basic mathematics operations. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, if you want to do a simple calculation, and if you have the numbers handy to do the calculation. For example, if you want to do the addition, you need to start any of the Excel formulas with the equal to sign. This is what you have to use for each and every formula which you will use in Excel. Let's try using without the equal to sign, say 10 plus 10, you will not get any result. But if you use the equal to sign in the starting of every formula, and then put the number 10 plus 10, it will give the result. If you want to do the multiplication, put equal to sign then 10, star symbol and 10, this is the multiplication formula. And if you want to do the subtraction, put equal to sign, then 100 minus 40, will give the result of 60. Likewise, if you want to do the division, just start the formula with equal to sign, and then put the number 100 divided by 5, it will give you the result. So you can use these basic operations if you have the number handy. But in most of the cases what you may have to do is, you need to take the value from different cells. For example, here in line number 4 you have the 4 values, and if you want to have the addition of these 4 values, there are multiple ways of doing this. The easiest way is just to put the equal to sign, and if you know the cell address, for example, the row number 4 in column B is B4 then plus C4 and D4, it will give a result. But sometimes what happens, instead of only 4 values, you may have hundreds of values, with which you have to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So in that case what you can do is, we can put equal to sign, then click this one, put plus and click on C4. Then put the plus sign again and click on D4, put the plus sign and click on E4 and hit enter. It will also give the same result. The easy method is you can just type the formula. So just type equal to sign and then type the formula of the sum. Another easy way is you can select all these values, go into the home menu then select this formula which is an AutoSum. So what it will do, it will give you the result in the last cell. But if you want this result should come a little down because you need to put something else, so you can just delete this result and select as many cells you want and this will give you the result in the last selected cell. And this answer has come from these values. If you change any of the values, your answer will change because this is taking the values from B4 to B16. Add any value in between, the answer will change accordingly and you can use the same function for any other mathematics operations, like division, multiplication, or addition. Not only top to down, but you can also do the addition from left to right. Select the number of cells and hit AutoSum. We can do so. Another thing is if you want to do the multiplication of these two values, you can put equal to sign then click the value you want to multiply, and then you can select the second value and you will get the answer. This is how you can do multiplication. If you want to do the subtraction, you can put equal to sign and select the value you want to do the subtraction from, and then select the second value you want to subtract. And this will also give you the expected result. So this is how you can use all the basic mathematics operations. And another thing is that, if you have done the addition of the first column B using AutoSum, and you can either copy this and paste in all these cells you will find the result. So this answer is for this column. This answer is for this column, and similarly, this answer is for the column D. This answer is for this column. If you change anything here, it will change the answer value accordingly. If you copy and try pasting these values here, you will not get the expected results, because this is taking the formula of the column H and not for this. These are the basic functions we would like to cover in today's video. And how to copy and paste the result somewhere else, we are going to cover in Copy and Paste Functions chapter. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video which will cover marking and removing duplicate values. You will find the links in the description for the previous and next chapters. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for new videos.